Hey guys, it's Cece. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a unisex workout muscle tee with a cool looking peace sign cutout. It's super easy, fun, and you can give it to your friends or yourself to wear. Let's get started. First, flip your shirt inside out and lay it flat on the back side. You're going to need a trash can that opens up at the top a bit so you can trace two different sized circles. You're then going to trace the top surface, which is the bigger circle, onto the middle of the back of your shirt with a Sharpie or any kind of marker that's bright enough to see on the fabric. Then you trace the bottom surface of your trash can, which is a slightly smaller circle within your existing circle. This should give you about an inch of space or so for your triangle stencils later. Let's continue tracing the frame. So I've cut up 3 strips on thick paper with an inch width. The length doesn't really matter. Then trace the middle portions as you create the peace sign. Once you're done with that, take a strip and fold it down to a triangle like this and cut it off. You'll end up with a square in which you can make 2 triangles by cutting it in half. Now you have triangle stencils. You're going to place them like this, side by side, and trace them within the circle. It's okay if it's not perfect, as long as it stays within the circle border. You do this all over, giving your triangles enough separation space-wise and to cut out. Once you're done, you cut out the triangles. I like to make a slit right in the middle of the little triangle and follow the lines. The sharper the scissor, the easier it is to cut. It looks like I'm almost there, and it looks pretty rad. What do you think? When you are finished with the peace sign, we have one more step, and that is to cut off the sleeves for more of an athletic look and to give additional ventilation. If you need a more in-depth tutorial for this part, please refer back to my other how-to video on DIY muscle tees. And after that is done, you are ready to work out. This project is super easy and anyone can do it. Wear these shirts out at the gym or with your friends, or especially when you're taking part in a great cause. I can't wait to see these on you. Please subscribe and comment below. Let me know how yours turn out. Thanks for watching.